Okay, you ready to get gross? I am, because today we're talking about 2 upgrades that I made that took my least favorite house task from drudgery to delight. So welcome back to our Tuesday series, Unblah Your Life, where we tackle small projects that make big differences. This one made a way bigger difference than I ever thought it would. We're talking about garbage. And don't think that's boring. Don't turn this off. This is important. How you're handling and treating your garbage and how it's treating you is affecting your happiness and your life. And it's probably why it's something that you've been avoiding, just like I avoided for years and years. So I made 2 changes that changed my garbage and waste situation from something that I actively avoided to something I actively enjoy. Now that I've moved to a new place, I really wanted to stop my bad habits and get a fresh start. I am no longer willing to live with stinky trash, unorganized waste bins, and something that had gotten way out of control for me is food waste. So I was really looking forward to getting control over this area of my life. Just like you have to rotate items out of your closet in order for you to stay sane, you have to rotate trash out of your house in order to not be gross. Both rotating things out of your closet and rotating trash out of your house is a stylish move. So moving to the country has changed everything that I think about trash. When I lived in the city, I would just throw things away, not take a really great care of my garbage situation, and just take it outside and forget about it. Forget it ever existed. And it was a sort of irresponsible way of thinking about my waste. It's not that once it gets out of your vision, it's completely gone. It goes somewhere. But moving to the country has really made me more aware of what I am throwing away, because I actually have to sort all of my garbage now. I have to sort it into paper, plastic, cardboard, styrofoam, yard trash, glass. You wouldn't believe how many different ways I have to sort my trash. And then I have to haul it myself to the dump. I'm exploring new levels of what my car can carry. Baby's first trip to the dump. But I'm actually starting to understand how much trash I'm putting out and being more careful about what goes where. The first thing I did was get some cabinets to hide my recycling. This has made such a difference in my life, to get nice looking cabinets instead of just plastic bins from IKEA, which I was using, and they were looking grungy. I got nice looking cabinets that tilt out and putting away my recycling a nice task instead of a chore. I like the way these cabinets look. They weren't too hard to put together. And I'm going to put my appliances on top of them and create a little appliance station. They have outlets on top. This is where I recharge my tablet, which is kind of the heart of my house. It turns my lights on and off and my music on and off. It's such a nice light wood color that really brightens up my space, and it creates more organization, and that means less chaos. So speaking of my new coffee station and all of the coffee grinds that I produce on a daily basis. Coffee grinds are great for composting and worm composting, and I did try worm composting at some point to try to be more responsible about my food waste. That didn't end up well. I feel really terrible about those worms still. There was something that was really difficult for me about collecting the food waste on my countertop and then taking it outside and monitoring the worms situation, and I neglected them. I have terrible worm guilt. I ended up giving my worm composter away because I just couldn't handle the guilt anymore. And also, I just wasn't doing it right. It did not fit into my life as I had hoped. I've always liked the idea of an indoor electric composter, but I didn't want to spend the money. And I thought, why would I want to spend money on my trash? Invest on something I'm going to throw away. I didn't like the idea of this. But that was actually a really short-sighted mistake. And if I had known how much happier I would have been with these changes, I would have done them way sooner. So I decided it was time for an indoor electric composter. And I have this one from Reencle, and it's nearly silent. There's no smell, and it's so easy to use. And it has reduced my stinky food trash to nothing, 0. And that was the biggest game changer for me. Stinky food smell from your trash bin affects your happiness. It makes you feel like you're living in garbage. It's unpleasant, and I really hate when you go to take it out and you get a hole in your bag and it ends up leaking everywhere. That's probably one of the worst house accidents that happen trash juice. So this composter took my food waste task from something I despised and avoided and made me unhappy, way past neutral, to I enjoy this activity. I enjoy feeding my composter, because this composter is a little bit different. It doesn't just dry out your food. It actually uses microorganisms and organic matter to break down your food, and it does it super fast. I don't even see my food bits the next day. And within 30 days, you have compost you can use in your plants. I don't even have to touch it to open it. I've set it to see my foot when I come up and it opens for me. You know how much I like a robot friend. I just did a video of the importance of scent in my home. Scent is so important, so smell is the opposite of that. So this Reencle composter uses a 3-layer charcoal filter, and there is no smell from it. For the first time, I have no stinky trash smell. And you know, I cook a lot. I produce a lot of veggie scraps and kitten food that didn't get eaten. And I don't have to save these scraps on my kitchen counter. I can just walk up to my composter, it opens up, and I throw the scraps in there immediately. There's nothing sitting around smelling. So composting is not only good to get rid of your stinky trash, but it's also super beneficial for your plants. It's way better than store-bought fertilizer. So I'm super excited to add this to my life. It affects how I feel about my kitchen. And my kitchen is the heart of my home, as I'm sure it is for many people. And when you have the right solutions, you eliminate visual clutter, you eliminate smell, you feel more in control of your life. And then garbage becomes a pleasant task rather than the worst chore. And if you're interested in checking out this composter or these cabinets, please check the links below in my description. This little composter has been a real game changer for me in my food waste and my robot friend circle. So between my cabinets and my Reencle composter, I've created a station that is pleasant for me to use. It's a pleasant task. And when I feel more organized, I feel more in control of my life and therefore happy. And it just looks so pretty that I want to spend time in there. So if you want to tell me about your trash solutions, your trash organization, please do so in the comments. I'm sure there's a lot that I don't even know about yet. I'm really excited to get my life all cleaned up and not smelling like garbage. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon.